Hi there, it's Adam here at Fordingtons in Hexham, and today I'm showing you around this 2020 Citroen Dispatch 1.5 BlueHDi Enterprise XL 1200. It's a front wheel drive with both side doors, not just on one side but both sides. Rear parking sensors fitted, which always come in handy. Panelled out in the back here, being well kept. Both doors open and lock there. Access from also the inside, you've got the handles on there. On the inside you've got a split of leather and cloth seats. Just an over 67,500 miles, 67,500. Got the touch screen with Apple CarPlay, semi-climate control aircon, cruise control behind there, and auto lights. The touchscreen also allows for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for sat-nav use on your smartphones. Been really well kept for a van, as well known that can be worked hard, but this one's superb to drive, and if you'd like to see it for yourself, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you very much for watching, and look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye now.